How's it going? Welcome to my video and to my channel. I hope you're doing very well and I hope you are having a fabulous day. And I am so excited. It is a super hint glamorous unboxing. And so for today's unboxing, I actually have on my super bedazzled headband just to add to the little bit of glam that's going to be happening today. So if you're interested, stay tuned. And as always, my name is Diane. Welcome to my video and welcome to my channel. Here we like to do reviews on luxury handbags. I love Louis Vuitton. I travel a lot, so I'll do travel related reviews. If you like content like this, I would love to have you subscribe and follow along. I am so close to 1,000 subscribers and I'm looking forward to it. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. I'm thinking about doing a giveaway when I hit 1,000. So anyways, let's get started with today's Louis Vuitton unboxing. All right, so here's the bag and opening it up. Ta-da! Isn't she stunning? This is the Louis Vuitton Speedy 20 in the new Monoglam collection. I am so excited. This is such a bundle of joy and she's absolutely stunning. So this material is a holographic blue jacquard material. It's essentially a like denim cotton, but there is a translucent iridescent canvas over it. So let me kind of zoom in and show you. I'll try to get it so where you can see the iridescent colors. I turned off my ring lights so to try to show you up close. This is what the bag looks like without any lighting. This is just natural light here in my living room with my window open. So you can kind of see more without the reflection of my light. And hopefully you can catch that iridescent top layer look. And here's what it looks like on the side. Hopefully you can see some of that iridescent color. Here's what the bottom looks like. When you feel the material, it feels like a laminated canvas. It's not rough. It does not feel like fabric because it has that iridescent laminated color. This little beauty is the Speedy 20 and I am so in love with this bag. When I first saw that they had released the Monoglam collection from far away, I thought it was just like a denim line and I wasn't that excited, but I had saw someone posted a YouTube short where in the sunlight there was like a holographic glistening iridescent look to it and I was like, what is this? I have to go check it out. So last weekend we went shopping and I saw this for the first time in person and I was like, I need this in my collection. I am absolutely in love with the Monoglam collection. The Monoglam also comes in a lot of their other popular bags. There is the new East West in the Monoglam. My husband was absolutely obsessed with the East West and he really wanted me to get it, but that bag was just super tiny. I could only really fit my phone, my wallet, and my keys, and like that bag was filled up. The Monoglam also comes in the, I think it's called the Kusan collection. There's a Keep All 45. And so this Monoglam colorway is this navy blue with the navy blue handles, but there is also a gold with the vachetta leather handles if you're interested. This might be my favorite purchase of the year. I don't know. I keep saying that about all of my bags, but this is absolutely on a whole nother level. This is a Speedy 20 size and it retails currently for $22.80 US. So it's a little bit more than the regular canvas Speedy 20. It's about $250 more and there are some differences with this. So let's start with the outside and then I'll kind of show you the inside. I'll kind of talk about some of the differences between this one versus the regular canvas Speedy 20. I'll show you what fits. I'll do mod shots. I'll tell you everything about this Speedy 20. This is what the front looks like and it comes with these navy blue treated leather handles, which I absolutely love because that way now I don't have to worry about the vachetta leather getting wet, even the piping on the sides. It comes with a strap. Hopefully you can kind of see, so far away it kind of looks thin to me, But in the sunlight and in certain lightings, you can really see the iridescent color start popping out. What's different about this Speedy 20 compared to the regular canvas one is that both sides actually have the upright LVs, and which is different than the usual Speedies, because usually the Speedies are made with one piece of canvas that wraps around. So the LVs are upright on one side and upside down on the other. But with this one, it's actually two different pieces sewn together. So as a result, on the bottom, there is that middle seam. And then that way, it's the upright LVs are together on both sides. So I absolutely love, love, love that there was that attention to detail with this bag. In terms of the hardware with this, in addition, I just really love the colorway where it comes with the navy blue leather details and the piping. But it comes with this super gold hardware, and it gives it to me a very nautical look. I love the beach. But if you can see here, if you can appreciate, the zipper pulls and all of the gold hardware is super gold. I'm not sure if it's showing on camera. One of the things that if you can notice and appreciate, and this is one of the differences, is there is a single zipper on this Speedy 20, which is a little bit disappointing to me. The regular canvas ones have the double zippers, and this one has a single zipper, and the zippers actually are like the other Speedies where it stops on the top. It does not go around the side like the regular Speedy 20. So because of that, I'll kind of show you the inside, but it may make this bag a little bit more limiting in terms of opening up to fit things inside. From this side, you can see there's a D-ring here, and this is what the side looks like with the blue navy like attachment. One of the other differences with this versus the canvas Speedy is, if you can see, the stitching goes all the way around the little blue little tab to provide like full support for these bandolier straps. And it's like that on both sides, if you can see. That's actually in contrast to the regular canvas Speedy where it's like a triangle, and it kind of, I've had people ask me and people comment questioning if that was enough securement for the straps when the bag is filled. I've had people worry that it may actually be loose. So that's one of the good benefits about this Speedy 20. And I do feel though that like everything on this bag, the attention to detail, everything is aligned. You can see the blue tab goes directly into the circle, and it's even on both sides. That's what the outside looks like. I'll give you one more tour of the whole bag, and then we'll go to the inside, and this is what the bottom looks like. Now when we open it up, the zipper is super smooth, and this strap is on the inside, which I'll put on and show you here in a second. But this is what the inside looks like when you open it up. It is a little bit limiting in terms of opening because the zipper does not go around the side like the regular canvas, but that's okay. We'll pack it and I'll show you what fits inside here in a little bit. And then on the inside, hopefully you can see it's a little bit dark in there, but it's a navy blue textile interior, and then there is a leather flap pocket down there, right here where my thumb is going. And then on that leather flap pocket, it says Louis Vuitton made in France. If you can see all the way down there. Sorry if you can't because it's so dark. Otherwise, it's just a like open hole like all the other Speedies are. So that's kind of what the inside looks like. It comes with this bandolier strap, and this bandolier strap is removable, as you can see here. And it is also in this treated navy blue color, and it is also adjustable. There are several holes, so you can adjust it to the length that you like. And so let me just put it on, and there we go. This is so unique and so special. I absolutely adore this bag. So I just wanted to show you what fits inside this Speedy 20. Currently using the Louis Vuitton Ellipse in the PM size that I unboxed recently. I am absolutely 100% in love with using this. I've been using it daily since I unboxed it with you guys, but I'm going to be moving into this new little cutie. So obviously this bag is bigger, so I'll have to be picky and decide, and I won't be able to move everything over into this. Also, I made another video comparing the regular Speedy 20 canvas to my Speedy Nano. So I will link that video up above if you're interested. And I apologize, I don't have my Speedy 25 with me right now. I usually keep it at my mom's house, so I'm not able to show you the size difference between the 20 and the 25. If you're interested, comment down below and I can bring it home and do a comparison if you are interested. Anyways, let's get started with what fits. So here's everything that I am currently carrying in my Ellipse PM. And here is my Speedy 20. So I will need my car keys. So these are just my car keys. It's on a fob cover that I got off Amazon that I think is really cute. And I actually got this off Temu, but this is a little purse flashlight that I'm trying out. It's super bright. If you can see inside there. Oh, now I can actually show you. So that's what the inside looks like of the Speedy 20. So it's this navy blue color, and you can see there is a leather flap pocket right there. So this part is leather. You can see it says Louis Vuitton made in France down there. And then it's just a regular flap pocket, or I guess, and then these are just the little stickers and things that the bags usually come with. Oh, the other thing to mention, if you didn't notice, this Speedy 20 does not come with a lock, which I was disappointed about. All the other Speedies come with a lock, but this one does not. So anyways, we'll put my car keys in there. I'll move my hand sanitizer over. This is my portable hand sanitizer. Usually I'm nervous about just putting free floating liquid, so we'll keep that out on the side for now. This is a mini hairbrush with a mirror, as you can see. I got this on Temu. I've been carrying that around, so that fits inside there. I will move my Apple AirPods over. That fits in there. I have my wallet. This is my Louis Vuitton Victorine wallet. That fits in there, no problem. Next thing, I have my phone. This is the iPhone 8 Plus. That will fit inside there, but because the zipper does not go all the way like around the side, I just have to kind of turn it a little bit. As you can see, it fits in there, no problem. And then, let's see, I have a little hand lotion that one of my patients' moms got for me. So I'll put that in there. And then the last thing that's in my Ellipse, this is my emergency pouch. And in here, I like to carry like some common things that I may need. So for example, I like having Tylenol, Motrin, my headache medicine. So I can put that in there. Other common things that I may want to use in here, like for example, some chapstick. This is just some Vaseline chapstick. This is pretty flat, but this is just some hand wipes. That can fit in there, no problem. Say if I want, I have my phone charger cord. Most people probably don't carry this, but I like it. So that's what it looks like in there so far. And say if I have a hair tie, that doesn't take up much space. What else? I feel like that's what most people carry. I still have other stuff left in my emergency pouch, such as like a pen or my other hand lotion. These are some mints. So this stuff is pretty small. I'm sure I could fit it inside there, but that's to give you an idea. The Speedy 20 can actually fit a lot of good stuff in here. And then when I zip it up, this is what it looks like. It looks still pretty structured. It doesn't look bulging at all with all that stuff in there. So that's what fits inside the Speedy 20. I really love the size of the Speedy 20. So just to close with my overall impressions of the Speedy 20 bandolier in the Monoglam. So first of all, I am absolutely a Speedy girl if you follow my channel, but I absolutely am so in love with this Monoglam collection. I think it is absolutely very stunning, and I think that having the laminated top over it to make it more like a canvas with the navy blue leather handles makes this bag more usable, because that way it won't pill with the material and I don't have to worry about weather stains with the leather. So overall, I love this color combination. I think it's beautiful. I love that it's a little bit lower maintenance, and I just love the little iridescent sparkle. This can be a date night or evening bag because it's smaller and it has that iridescent sparkle, but also at the same time, because it is the Speedy 20, I feel like I can also use this as a daytime crossbody bag when I'm out and about shopping or running errands. So I do feel like this bag is very universal and relatively low maintenance. A couple of things also is the Speedy 20 is also a very good size. It's much more user friendly than my Speedy Nano that I absolutely love, but it's just too small to fit my phone, so this one will definitely get more use than my Speedy Nano. The only downsides with this one, of course, it's Louis Vuitton, so the price is very expensive, and I was a bit disappointed with the single zipper and that the zipper doesn't go around the side like the other Speedies, and also this does not come with the lock that all the other Speedies generally come with. But overall, I still absolutely love this. Fully recommend it. And if you have any questions, please comment down below. If you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye.